Hi, I'm Becky Streepy from Glue and Glitter, and today we're making creamy, tangy, vegan Russian dressing. I originally developed this Russian dressing for a Russian wedge salad recipe that I've got coming out soon, but it's also delicious on pretty much any salad. You can also use it as like a zippy spread on sandwiches and wraps. You only need a few simple ingredients to make this dressing, and it all comes together in one bowl in approximately 5 minutes. Let's do it! In a medium bowl, combine vegan mayo and ketchup, dairy-free prepared horseradish, onion powder, and vegan Worcestershire sauce. Real quick, let's talk about the horseradish and the Worcestershire sauce because those aren't always vegan, so I want to talk you through kind of what to look out for. When you're getting prepared horseradish, the one that you want should just contain horseradish, vinegar, and salt. You don't want it to contain like mayo or any other kind of dairy. Sometimes prepared horseradishes will, but the kind that doesn't is what you're looking for. Sometimes you'll be able to find beet horseradish, which is pretty much the same thing, but it uses a little bit of beet juice for color. It's a little bit sweeter from the beet juice, and if that's the only thing you can find, totally go for it. It'll give your dressing a little bit more color, and that's not a problem at all. For the Worcestershire sauce, don't worry about splashing out on an expensive bottle of vegan Worcestershire. I'm gonna tell you a vegan secret. The thing that makes most Worcestershire sauces not vegan is anchovies, and anchovies are not cheap. And so the store brands and like bargain brands often will just leave out the anchovies and add extra salt to save money. Those brands are usually vegan. So when you're shopping, just check the ingredients for anchovies and I can almost guarantee that you'll be able to find a cheap brand that's vegan. Now whisk everything together until it's smooth and creamy. To store this dressing, just transfer it into an airtight container like a mason jar. It'll keep in the fridge for about a week. I hope that this video has answered all of your questions about how to make this vegan Russian dressing. If you have any questions I didn't address, feel free to drop a comment. I'm always happy to help. And don't forget to rate and subscribe. Happy cooking!